Question that I get with a fair amount of frequency is, can I use the other party's insurance to pay for my bills, medical expenses, and property damage after a car accident? And the answer is ultimately yes. Certainly, if somebody is responsible for causing an accident through an act of negligence, they, or indirectly their insurance company, ultimately are responsible for all damages that ensue from that accident, whether that's economic damages like lost wages, medical bills, property damage, non-economic damages, pain, suffering, loss of enjoyment of life, or consequential damages, such as the procurement and use of a rental vehicle. Certainly the other party's insurance ultimately is going to be responsible for those damages. However, they're not going to pay those on a periodic or ongoing basis. That's where PIP comes in. Personal injury protection is first-party, no-fault insurance. It's available to all drivers of a vehicle registered in Maryland. It's typically $2,500 unless you purchase more. Now, that will pay for, on an ongoing periodic basis, your medical bills and a portion of your lost wages up to $2,500 unless you purchase more. Now, a question that comes up frequently in this regard is, if I use my own insurance, if I use my PIP, will my rates go up? Now, Maryland law is clear on this point. An insurance company may not increase your rates or add any type of surcharge or additional charge to your insurance premium because of a singular personal injury protection claim. Now, make no mistake about it, in deciding whether or not to extend insurance to you, an insurance company is free to consider all manner of things. They can certainly consider your driving record. They can certainly consider things like your credit history. And they can also consider your claims history. Now, Maryland law will permit an insurance company to refuse to renew or indeed to cancel an insurance policy on a vehicle if within the last 3 years, 3 accidents are reported, even if they're not your fault. Things like uninsured motorist claims and personal injury protection claims can be considered in that mix that an insurance company may use to determine whether or not to cancel or fail to renew or refuse to renew insurance coverage.